In this segment, you will learn how to repair a broken headlamp tab using Fusor 142. Benefits of using Fusor 142 include super fast handling strength, black in color, sandable in minutes.
Begin by scuffing the broken tab and the headlamp surface with 80 grit sandpaper. Use compressed air to remove dust and debris. Spray a thin coat of Fusor plastic surface modifier, stock number 602EZ, and allow to dry for 10 to 15 minutes. It is important to note that prior to using any two-component adhesive, seam sealer, or foam, dispense a small amount of material from the cartridge to ensure an even flow of both components. Then attach a mixing tip and dispense a small amount of material until uniformly mixed. Then apply a generous amount of Fusor 142 to the damaged area and insert the broken tab. Use an acid brush to spread the adhesive evenly around the repair area. Allow the adhesive to reach handling strength for approximately 10 minutes at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Finish by reinstalling the headlamp assembly.
This completes the broken headlamp tab repair using Fusor 142. For more information, visit www.lord.com/Fusor. Call 877-ASK-LORD or contact your local Fusor distributor.